Hi, just an update on the Cavalier rebuild. I've had to cut this bit out, really get in here and just put a patch in here above this. There was originally just a little bit here, but I looked in and I could see it was starting to rust away. So that I need to put obviously a bit of temper for that. I've cleaned up all the kind of rust in here. I've still got a couple of bits chip away in here. It's hard to get in there with a hammer or anything. So, but I've got the template made up for this. And I've also fixed a bit up there, I don't know if you can see it, a little corner on the strut. And I've also rubbed all this down with wire brush. I need to do a bit more up there. So I've also put a plate on the chassis leg at the top here just to get started with the welding. And I've also put a plate in here, I don't know if I showed you that a bit earlier. So there's a plate in there. So that's that bit done. The next plate I'm going to make up is the one for along here. So I'll weld that from inside, and then I'll weld the one at the bulkhead side here, but I'll do that on the inside. So that's where I'm at just now. Okay, see you in the next video.